Esteemed viewers of Edo CBC, now good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you for the time until they watch this video. My name is Agberemo Jimmy. This morning we did for one site. We can't inspect the work where one of our esteemed viewers give one of the water connector experts when they for Edo CBC. We did with this Oga for site. Oga, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my brother.
Oga, how work and how business?
We thank God.
For our viewers, so they watch you for the first time, make you tell them your name and the work when you do this.
My name is Chibuzo Obi. We dey sell water connector and we dey install.
All right.
Yes.
Yeah, and this site will come. So now one of our esteemed viewers and I give you this work to do.
Yes.
All right. So what you wanted this esteemed viewer will give you this job. I know that's why don't patronize you for your shop.
I thank her very much to patronize me and the trust and the confidence when they give me this job.
All right. I still join Mr. Obi to appreciate all our esteemed viewers who don't patronize Mr. Obi Chibuzo, we don't give and work and don't patronize for his shop. We thank you so much. And for of now, they patronize all our partners for Edo CBC. We say a very big thank you. As we always they talk, before I give any of our partners for Edo CBC, make sure they call our Edo CBC phone number when they the top of all our videos. All right, so now which work should I do for this esteemed viewer for this site?
We install the water connector when follow us by for
okay office. Water connector now I install for this house.
Yes.
I just say this house now upstairs.
Yes, now upstairs.
Wow. A very big building.
Yes, now 2 building.
Okay, now 2.
Yes.
And this other one when they here?
This and this.
Okay. This will be like the front.
Yes, and the front of the entrance of the house be this.
So how many droppings now put for this house?
Now 11.
11?
Yes.
We'll start from this side when we be this way.
This one are first.
So now one of the droppings?
Yes, this one are one of the droppings.
And it reach ground?
Yes, it come out from the portal.
More use as an example. What will be the accessories when I use for here? So?
Okay, for here now, see funnel for up.
Okay,
see elbow, see pipe clip. So now they call the pipe clip. Okay. And see this nail and screw. So now be the elbow.
Okay.
They know they pull for this curb. Yeah. Now we make us bring and come out.
Instead and come outside the outside the curb. So after they enter the compound, then from there go flow out.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Okay. This one of the droppings. Yes. So make we the follow and go. That's now 2 droppings like for this front.
Yes, now 2 there.
Another one be this.
Yes.
And as now take arrange for them, as soon as I take arrange
yes.
This one. Okay, and the way I can't bring this one come down now.
You just relax for there, they go out.
The shape can't be different from
that one.
The one when we see. And as I take arrange the droppings, hope say wind no go fit blow.
No, wind no fit blow.
It did very strong.
Yes.
Alright. We'll continue. Okay, another one day here, another drop is there.
Another drop is there.
Okay, this one at the third dropping we don't see.
Yes.
And it still reach down.
Still reach down.
So it go day easy for the water to
penetrate.
Come down.
To come down.
This one we there for up, like this is the column.
That one are gutter.
Okay,
this
gutter.
One, this one are gutter.
Okay. Okay, so another dropping, the 4th dropping.
Yes.
We don't see now. And then I just do and make it reach ground.
Yes.
So this I still like and like this. As
yes, yes, because it don't take level. Now we just put down.
All right. And then now use a black color.
Yes, now black is more use.
Okay, now what's in our still choose?
Yes.
Okay, so now the 5th dropping.
Yes.
And it still reach down. All right. And this one can't get it. What I use for this side? That's the one that they join this.
That one that they call inner.
Okay,
inner. So that it go fit go here.
Because the way I take connect this side, come join this side, it shows say at least the water they flow, it go flow easily.
Yes.
Whether I go left
or go right.
Okay, so another dropping for you.
Yes.
And the 6th one.
Yeah.
Still reach down.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so I like the back.
Yes, and the back of the house, please. The one.
And the house is very big.
Yes. That make us put level.
Okay. Okay. So another dropping. So are the how many now? Okay, we'll continue. Okay, here the another one there here. Okay. The thing just reach ground where. Let's say they don't take level for this house before I fix this.
Yes, because when we want start the work,
Yes.
they do stampede. They can't say more wait.
Okay.
So the owner and I called me say more wait first. Make stampede people work their own before we come in. That would already drop materials for his site.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it just makes sense like that, so that as now do and reach the reach ground here. Not the one you can't come back again later. Say after they don't first maybe they never first do the stamp floor.
Yeah.
Now for still come back again.
No, even they never see do the stamp floor.
Yes.
Maybe situation like that, they always tell the viewer or the client say anytime they want do they let us know, we'll help them trimmer.
Okay.
Yes. So now too also either you don't do your floor, you never do your floor, because some viewers they call, they go and say I never do floor, they'll feed one. We they let them know say whether you don't do your floor, you never do your floor. We'll see if you do the water connector.
Okay.
For there. So any floor no disturb.
No disturb the installation of this water connector.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we to just calculate down, say we'll come that site again, cut or help them trimmer.
Can't do the necessary adjustments.
Yes, like one client called me, say they don't do stampede for the compound, make I go help them trimmer. We can't go trimmer for her.
Okay.
So that's where it be.
Okay. All right, that's fine. And this one too, just ground. Now very fine work. I believe this I still I go dey pleased with the work not different. Okay, another. This side come this side dey technical kind of.
Technical work we do for him because of the house. The house run.
This side round and the way the shape of the house dey for here. No black as it just there. Okay. Yes. Okay. All right. So the level dropping now.
Yes.
Okay. So now I can still extend this one.
Come outside. Yeah,
make
because normal rain go see enter the keg, but the rain it goes too much. Now we carry come outside.
Yes, it's very okay. So from here, water will enter the flow outside the keg.
Yes.
Okay. Now we see the second building. Okay. So the second building.
Yes.
Okay. How many drop is there for this one?
Now 5.
5. Okay. Okay. 1 day for here.
Yes, 1 day for here.
Okay. Okay. This one not there as big as the main building.
No.
But still carry some material. No go like this. I want drop in there for here.
Yes. Because of this house.
Okay. Okay,
there's
for here.
Yes, there's no way to put
any water connector for this
dropping.
Any dropping, sorry.
So now we slow and carry and come here.
Okay, now slow and carry and come this side.
Yes.
So I make sure the pressure of water will they come
from here,
come down. Okay. And the second one. Okay. This one is still another one.
So see the 2 here.
Okay, 2 come for here.
Yeah, because space day this side.
Okay. So the 5 droppings when I put for this building, they okay.
Yes, they okay.
Take care of the.
Yes, because the house no get in and like just 4 side.
Okay.
4 side way.
Okay. Most of the 5th one. Okay. And the 5th one be this one.
Yes. Watch.
Okay, thank you. Okay, we'll stay for here. All right. I still will talk now until they watch this video. Now, Mr. Obi, the water connector expert 24 Edo CBC. Now we deal with now they explain to us the kind of work when you do for this I still here for this site. Okay, this drop is when you put 11 for the main building and 5 for the second building.
Yes.
Now, what in this I still here want or now what I recommend based on the structure of the building.
And the structure of the building, let me recommend for her.
Okay.
Yeah.
And they very okay.
Perfect.
In case,
Okay.
once in the floor, at least no pressure, no go too much for any side. Water will flow out easily.
Yes.
All right. And the quality of material I want to take do answer.
They're okay.
All right. It's all right. So this work now contract to do am.
Na contract I take do.
Wow. So now you buy the materials, transport them from here.
And come here, learn do all the expenses for road.
Okay.
So I carry as contract.
All right. So how much you take carry am, sir?
Carry 800.
Okay, 800,000.
Yes.
And 2 buildings.
Yes.
Okay. And the price, and because of say this one are upstairs too.
And to the got as many for the house.
Okay, got as many.
Yes.
And upstairs now.
And down house too.
Okay. It's all right. I believe say now this I still go appreciate the work when you do for here.
Yeah.
And in case another of you call you and you get this same kind of house, you feel done for that much.
No, depend on the house, so because now your measurement now go determine your price.
Okay.
Yes, your measurement now go determine your price.
Okay, which means some house will look like this, but if it they bigger than this one or smaller than this one.
Okay. I say it just be.
All right. That's fine. And this one are 2 buildings inside the compound.
2 buildings.
So that's true. All right. For those of our viewers who don't follow you by, now see they sell the materials now.
Yes, we see they sell the materials.
Okay. For those of our viewers who go like follow you by, they still reach you.
Yes.
All right. Make you call your phone number and office address for viewers when they take
number 22 Cook Road. My phone number is 08074389999. The other one is 07090746264. My phone number with that one.
Okay. The 2 of them day for WhatsApp or now with the first one the WhatsApp.
And the 2 day WhatsApp.
Okay, they feel it to WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
All right. I think we have talked now to the watch this video. Mr. Obi phone number will display for the under of this video. If you now want buy anything concern water connector materials, make una contact them. And if you still need the good hand when go do the installation for una, make una contact them. In our expert when it comes to water connector installation, and they sell quality materials for their office where they for Cook Road. So anytime any day una feel reach am, a phone number will display for the under of this video, as well as their office address. Why if una want give a work or una want follow and buy, una want make a CBC dey there to monitor the work for una, make una call a CBC phone number when we display for the under of this video. We thank all of una for the patronage. We want to patronize all our partners for CBC, most especially Mr. Obi, and we see the count on una for more patronage. Make una like, share, and comment on this video. Make una share and give those when they find water connector experts to do this kind of job for them. We say thank you and God bless you all.